ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। श्रीशङ्कराचार्यनवावतारं विश्वेश्वरं विश्वगुरुं प्रणम्य वेदान्तशास्त्रश्रवणालसानां बोधाय कुर्वे कमपि प्रबन्धम्। Whatever erroneous ideas are there about Jiva, they have to be eliminated. So in Tvampada, whatever pratyaksha dharmas are experienced by Jiva and essential nature of Jiva being nirdharmaka, free from all dharmas, these dharmas have to be eliminated, eradicated first. And for that, this Tvampada Vichara is taken up. In that, now, see in the Moolam, different darshanas are indicated. Tatra dehakarena parinatani chattvari bhutani. This is page number 11, third line from top. Dehakarena parinatani chattvari bhutani eva tvam padartha iti charvakaha. So first is charvaka matam, and they say deha akarena parinatani chattvari bhutani. The four bhutas are modified and they appear as body, and that alone is tvam padartha, means that is Atma, Jivatma. टीका चार्वाका इति प्रत्यक्ष एक प्रमाणवादिनश्चार्वाकाः. Charvak matam, what do they say? Only pratyaksha pramana they believe. They don't accept any other pramana. So now this analysis that is presented here, you will find that this is given at least in the preliminary text like Vedanta Sara, it is given. Then little more analysis with more reasonings and refutation is given in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha. And then in Swarajya Siddhi, a Siddhi Grantha, there also all these matams are taken up and they are refuted. Here it is only in brief. Tikakar, of course, has given some, and then Siddhanta Bindukar has given in very much brief, not much discussion is there. So let us see now. Pratyaksha eka pramanavadinas charvakaha. What do they say? That there is only pratyaksha pramana, not more than that. Akasham na manyante. They don't accept akasha, only four bhutas. Tasya apratyakshatvat, because akasha is apratyaksha. So what is not known through indriya pratyaksha, indriya sannikarsha, that they will not accept. पृथिव्यादि भूत चतुष्टयात्मको देह एव आत्मा इति तेषां मतम. Their matam is पृथिव्यादि देह चतुष्टयात्मक the Bhuta Chatushtayatmaka Deha itself is Atma. There is nothing other than this. So, we will understand that this thinking is so ingrained that people think that this is mostly only this. At the most, they have with 5 elements. Some space is also there. In stomach, there is lot of space, and in head, there is space. So, Panchabhutatmako Deha, but it is Panchabhutatmaka, and beyond that, there is nothing. This matam is very, very prevalent. I will not say it is popular, but it is prevalent. And what about sense organs? Indriyani api na dehatiriktani. They say deha is there and sense organs are not separate from it. Kintu dehe tattad bhaga chakshuradi shabdena vyavahriyate. But within that body only, different parts are referred by different names. So the part which is there on the face, on top 2 sides, then they are called eyes. It is body only. There is no separate thing called eyes. And when you say body is gone, so then whole body is gone, including eyes and ears and everything. You say body is washed, means everything is washed. Mano api evam. Mind is also in body only. One part is called mind. What is that part? Hridaya bhaga eva manaha. Prana, pranasu sharira sanchari vayuho. What is prana? Prana is that sharira sanchari vayu, the air that moves in the body. That is called prana. Charvak ekadeshinam matani aha. Now next one is Charvaka Ekadeshi. So, but here what is there? Idea is that how the knowledge is present in this Bhuta Chatushtaya, because outside knowledge means Jnanam. Outside if you gather some earth, put some water and heat it and pass some air through it, will it have some knowledge? Will it have Chetan? So if that Bhuta Chatushtaya cannot have Jnanam there, Chaitanya there, how this, our physical body has Jnanam, sentiency? If you ask them, they say that this Bhuta Chatushtaya in a Vishesha quantity, when it is subject to modification, then it produces Jnana Shakti. Just like the fruits and all, sometimes they are very sweet, but if you leave it and then slowly they will become sour. Or the other example is that betel leaf is there, is green, and the white lime is there, which is white, and the katha is there, which is brown, and you chew it and it will become red. So like that, Chaitanya Shakti is produced in these 4 Mahabhutas. This is how they think. And then in this body itself, this idea that Sthuloham, Janami, this kind of recognition is also possible. And Sthuloham, so in that, Aham Shabda is for what? Aham Shabda is for body, Deha. And Janami is also there. So Jnanam is also part of body only. In this way, everything is centered on body. And Jagradadi avasthas are there. So these avasthas also, they are like different states of the physical body. Like when body is active, so it is said this is Jagrada avastha. is resting Swapna and Sushupti. In this way, they present the ideas. Next one is another Charvak Matam. Charvak Ekadeshinam Matani Aha. So, in the Moolam, two Vakyas are there. Chakshuradini Pratyekam iti apare. Pratyekam. Just join that top part. Pratyekam iti apare. Militani ityanye. So, two matams. Separate sense organs is one matam. Sense organs all put together is Atma is another matam. Chakshuradini iti. एतन् मते एकस्मिन् देहे अनेक आत्मानः यद्यपि सर्वेषां सर्वाणि इन्द्रियाणि सन्ति एव इति न नियमस्तथापि यस्य प्राणिनो यावन्ति इन्द्रियाणि तावन्तस्तत्रात्मन इति बोध्यम्. सो सर्वेषां सर्वाणि इन्द्रियाणि सन्ति. एवरीबडी हैज ऑल सेंस ऑर्गन. एतन् मते एकस्मिन् देहे अनेक आत्मा. In one body, how many atmas? Many atmas. Yadyapi sarvesham sarvani indriyani santi. Everybody has all sense organs. Santi eva iti na niyamaha. Everybody need not have sarvani indriyani santi eva iti na niyama. Tathapi yasya pranino yavanti indriyani tavantaha tatra atmanaha Atmanaha iti bodhyam. As long as somebody has whatever number of sense organs, that many Atmas are there in that body. So somebody has 4 Atmas, somebody has 3 Atmas, because each sense organ is one Atma. This is Matam there. These are all so erroneous now we think, but practically means if somebody will ask what is your idea, we may just repeat that, oh, I am Brahman, but Deha Bhavana and all is so strong. So this Matam is based on how people feel. Correct? Militani iti. Etadadi matatraye ekasmin dehe eka eva atma. And the third one is militani. Now here it says etadadi matatraye ekasmin dehe eka eva atma. So if even one sense organ, in the previous matam you understand this way, even if one sense organ is there, one atma is definitely there. If more sense organs are there, each sense organ will become one Atma. Next, in the Moolam, see, Chakshuradini Pratyekam iti apare. Pratyekam is Atma. Each is Tvam Padartha. And Militani is Anya. So, different ideas are there about them. Now, Saugataha. Mana iti eke, prana iti anye. Kshanika Vijnanam iti Saugataha. So here, Mana Prana, that is not given in this one. Okay, but I will explain what is this Mana iti eke. So these people, so in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sar Sangraha, elaborately this is taken up that why the previous matam is erroneous and why the next matam is correct. So each mata will refute its previous mata, and then you end up with Pradhana Malla Nivarhana. Finally, you will have Shunyavada that you have to refute, or Sankhya Yoga and Vedanta will remain. Then in Vedanta, you refute all the other ideas. So, in Swapna, Indriyas are not there. Because Indriyas are not active. Somebody who has eyes closed can still see in dream. Somebody who is blind can still see dream. Somebody who is deaf can hear in dream. So in dream, sense organs are not present. Then, even in that case, aham asmi, this idea is there in swapna. And therefore, sense organs are not Atma, mind is Atma. This is mana. Mana iti eke. Somebody has this idea. Now, prana iti anye. Somebody says, no, prana is Atma. Why? Because in Sushupti, mind is also not there, but prana is there. And otherwise in Jagrat also, mind goes somewhere. Pranas are functioning, and because of that, I continue. So, they say prana is Atma. Prana iti anya. But the thing is, here they have given mana as first and prana later. And in Vedanta Sara and in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha, prana is given before mana. Because prana is jada. In the night, Sushupti, mind has gone to sleep, prana is awake, but prana doesn't know what is happening. So if some thieves come, they steal something and go away, prana cannot stop. Because it doesn't know what is Shubham or Ashubham, what is right or wrong. That's why mind is superior. Mana Atmavada is superior to Prana Atmavada. Now Saugataha. Saugataha, so Bauddhaha. Kshanik Vijnanam iti Saugataha, Shunyam iti Madhyamikaha. So Kshanik Vijnanavada, only 2 Bauddha Matams are taken. You know how many Bauddha Matas are there? 4. In the Tika you see. Sautrantika, Vaibhashika, Yogachara, Madhyamika Bhedena Chaturvideshu, Bauddheshu, Adhyastraya. The first 3 are Kshanik Vijnan. What is the shloka you remember? Mukhyo Madhyamiko Vivartamakhilam Shunyasya Mene Jagat Yogachara Mate Tu Santi Matayo Tasam Vivarto Khilaha Arthosti Kshanikastvasavanumito Buddhyeti Sautrantikah Pratyaksham Kshanabhanguram Cha Sakalam Vaibhashiko Bhasate. So in this, each line is one Bauddha Mata. You know this shloka, or shall I explain, or I shall move forward? So there are 4 Bauddha Matas. This shloka, if somebody knows, then they can pass it to everybody. The shloka is, the Mukhya Matam is Madhyamika Bauddha. Mukhyo Madhyamikao Vivartam Akhilam Shunyasya Mene Jagat. He understands the whole Jagat is Vivarta of Shunyam. Second is Yogachar Matam. Yogachar Mate Tu Santi Matayas Tasam Vivarto Khila. The whole Jagat is Vivarta of Buddhi, Kshanika Vijnan. This is Yogachar Mata. First was Shunyavad Madhyamika. Third is Arthosti Kshanikas Tvasavanumito. Third Matam is saying that everything is Sautrantika Mata. They say everything is Kshanikam, but it is Anumita. This is Sautrantika Mata. So Bahyarthavada is Anumeya for them. And Vaibhashika Matam says Pratyaksham Kshanabhanguram Cha Sakalam, and it is Pratyaksham, not Anumeya. Bahyarthavada means they are Ubhayarthavadi and Bahyartha is Pratyaksha. This is Vaibhashika. Sautrantika says that they are also Ubhayarthavadi, but Bahyarthi is only Anumeya. Yogachar Mata says only Kshanik Vijnan. There is no Bahyartha. And Madhyamika says there is no Bahyartha, there is no Antarartha, there is only Shunyam. In this way they have four matams. This lot of discussion comes later in the Mandukya Karika and all on this. Next is Deha Parimana. So, in Kshanik Vijnanavada, Bahya Padartha is also Jnana only. There is no actual Bahya Padartha. You can't prove that there is anything outside other than Jnanam. And that Jnanam is Arthakriyakari. Means I can accomplish something through that knowledge. Means that object, if there is a pen, I can write with pen. If there is a book, I can read that book, etc. So this they accept. And there is Alaya Vijnana and there is Pravritti Vijnana. So that Alaya Vijnana alone in the form of samskara becomes Pravritti, and that Pravritti Vijnana alone again becomes samskara. And if somebody says how without the external world you can have variety of sukha dukkha or experiences of one person differing from the experience of another person, or like I see something red, something blue, something yellow, something white. So it is said in Swapna, how do you see everything different without any object? Tathaiva Jagrati, in the same way in waking also. So this is their matam. And it is Pratyaksham Kshanabhanguram. It is also every moment subject to destruction. So Kshanik Vijnana. Alaya Vijnana, which is Dhara Rupa, and then Pravritti Vijnana, which is Sanskara Rupa. Madhyamika Mata says that whatever is Prameya, Ghatadi Drishya, they are the Jnana Vishaya, they are Prameya, they are known. In the same way, Jnanam is also known. The knowledge of pot is known, and knowledge of pot is also known. So, what they say is, that is also Drishya. And Yad Drishyam Tan Mithya. So, Ghatam is also Mithya, Ghatak Jnanam is also Mithya. In this way, whatever is Prameya, everything is Mithya. So, then what will end up there? Shunyam. So they say Atma is not Sadrupa, but Atma is Shunyam. That's why they are called Shunyavadi. Next is Arhatamata. Dehendriyatirikto Deha Parimana iti Digambaraha. Deha Parimana iti Digambaraha. But Deha Indriya Atirikta. It is different from body, sense organs, etc. But it is of the size of the body. See now in Tika. बाल्यादि अवस्था भेदेन यथा देहस्य वृद्धिक्षयो भवतः तथा तदनुसारेण आत्मनोपि वृद्धिक्षयो भवतः. बाल्यादि अवस्था भेदेन यथा देहस्य, just as बाल्यादि अवस्था भेद is there, Deha also has Vriddhikshaya. In the same way, Atma also will have Vriddhikshaya. Atma also grows and shrinks. And this classic question is there with them, that if Atma is in elephant's body, then what is the size of Atma? Is a elephant size. And in the next Janma, let us say that elephant has to become an ant. Then what will happen? So that elephant size Atma has to shrink and fit into an ant body. And they say yes, it will happen. Because it has elasticity. What is elasticity called in Tarka Sangraha? Sthiti Sthapakata. Sthiti Sthapakata. Sthiti Sthapakata means it has the ability to come back to its sthiti. You remember or not? Anybody has studied Tarka Sangraha? Is there Sthiti Sthapakata. Yadyapi evam atmano वृद्धिक्षयो भवतस्तथापि आत्मनो न अनित्यत्वम आशंकनीयम. Even though Atma is subject to growth and decay, Atma is not anitya in their matam. It is parinami nitya. सर्वथा विनाश अभावात् परिमाण भेदे अपि सर्वथा विनाश अभावात् एतदेव परिणामी नित्यत्वम. परिमाण भेदे अपि और परिणाम भेदे अपि. Pariman bhed means the sizes are different. Sizes are different and parinam is also there, but it is parinami nityam. Etad digambaranam matam. Digambaraha jainaha. Atayeva eteva arhata ityuchyante. And they alone are called arhata mata also. Arhan nama nitya siddha purushaha. Who was Arhan? Arhan means they say is a Nitya Siddha Purusha. So, Nitya Siddha means what we call as Bhagavan. That is they call Arhat, Arhan. And the one who becomes Jivan Mukta, they call Tirthankara. Means they are the holy place of pilgrimage. So, wherever they are, that is the place of pilgrimage actually. They are Tirthankara. Arhan is like Ishvara, Nitya Mukta. And Tirthankaras are like Jivan Muktas. Now, Tat Pranita Agama Anusaritvat. So, this Arhan is there and Tat Pranita Agama, so those, the one who has given that Agama, those who follow that, then they all are called Arhata. So their matam actually started with, in Bhagavatam, 5th canto, I think this is given. This is Ishvara Avatara, and then he started Jaina matam. In 5th canto of Bhagavatam, those who are reading Bhagavatam, they will know, it will come. His name is also given. Then he has so many children. So, he has 100 children. One of them becomes Bharata, and Bharata is named after him. Then some become yogis and some become Jaina, like that. Different sects come out from that. If I remember correctly. Now next one is, somebody says, wait, you are saying Atma is parinami. If there is parinama, then there is savayavatva, vinashitva. So Atma also will be vinashi. And if Atma is vinashi, then how you will accommodate for karma siddhanta? Because there will be krita hani and akrita abhyagama. So, whatever karmas are performed, of those karmas, the phala bhoga will not be there. Because I perform something now and Atma is dead, so then those karmas results I don't get. And when I start, I will get some results. So it is akrita abhyagama dosha, and therefore the Atma cannot be subject to destruction. So I am assuming you know what is this kritahani and akrita abhyagama. I need not explain in detail. This has been discussed in earlier granthas already. And therefore, Atma has to be different from Deha, Atma has to be different from Indriya, but Atma also has to be Nitya Niravayava, not Parinami, and not with parts. So, without parts, without modifications, and that Atma has to be Vibhu, and it also has to have some Jnanam. Now, whether that Jnanam is the nature of Atma or it is getting from Buddhi, that is subject to discussion. But it has to be there. And that's how the next matam comes. Karta, Bhokta, Jado, Vibhuriti, Vaisheshika, Tarkika, Prabhakaraha. So, now three matams are given together. Vaisheshika, Tarkika means Nyaya, and Prabhakara. Nyaya, the proponent of Nyaya matam, Gautama Rishi. Vaisheshika, Kanada. And you have Prabhakara matam. So they say Karta, Bhokta, Atma, but it is Jada and Vibhu. So now you see in Tika. Jado Vibhuriti. Atma hi Vaisheshikadi mate na swayam swena prakashate. Atma is not swayam prakasha in Vaisheshika Tarkika mata, but it is kintu swasmad bhinnena swaguna bhutena jnanena. Atma is swasmad bhinnena, other than itself there is guna bhuta jnana, means that jnanam is present as a quality of Atma, is a guna. So Atma is having 9 gunas according to the Tarkika mata. Vaisheshika and Tarkikas, they say Atma has 9 gunas. What are they? These are Nitya gunas for Atma. Buddhi, Sukha, Dukkha, Ichcha, Dvesha, Prayatna, Dharma, Sanskara. These, how many I said? 9 or 8? Buddhi, Sukha, Dukkha, Ichcha, Dvesha, Prayatna, Dharma, Sanskara. 9. These 9 are Nitya. Mean they are guna of Atma. Through that Atma has, so Buddhi is there, Buddhi is Jnanam according to them. Ataha tasya swaprakashatva abhava jadatvam eva pashanavat. It is jada, like pashana. And jado, that is next one now. Karta, the word karta means the one who is performer of action. So, the mukhya karaka, karta, and bhokta means the one who is going to have sukha dukkhadi anubhava. Jada means jnanam is not its nature, swabhava, but it is guna. Means it is not jnanam, it is different from jnanam, jnana bhinnam. And vyapaka, vibhu, vyapaka is vyapaka. So in Nyaya mata, they say it has the sanyoga with all murta padartha. But whichever karma is ready to give result, then only that murta padartha it will experience. So even though Atma is Vibhu, it is everywhere, it can associate with all. So like right now I am everywhere according to them. But my karma phalas are present in one location. Therefore there only the experiences are possible according to them. Next matam is Bhatta mata. So Prabhakara is one Mimamsaka mata. They have similar things with Nyaya, but they also have differences with Nyaya. And majority of discussions in Brihat Prasthana is with these two people only, Tarkika and Prabhakara. Means all the charcha they will only do because this तार्किक मत न्याय they have अन्यथा ख्याति and Prabhakar has anya akhyati. So this anyatha khyativad and akhyativad, that is where we have lot of differences. We are in Vedantins are anirvachaniya khyativad. So majority of discussions, they only have different ideas. They think differently. Okay, Bhattamata अहम अस्मि इति यदा प्रतीतिर्भवति तदा तादृश प्रतीति निरूपितम् आश्रयत्वं विषयत्वं च एकस्यैव भासते किन्तु तद् विरुद्धं तद् उपपत्तये तैः आत्मनो अंशद्वयात्मकत्वम् अंगीकृतं. दिस इज भाट्टास. व्हाट डू दे से? अहम अस्मि, दिस प्रतीति इज देयर. हाउ कैन यू से आई एम नॉट ज्ञान स्वरूप? सो यदा प्रतीतिर्भवति तदा तादृश प्रतीति निरूपितम् आश्रयत्वं विषयत्वं च एकस्यैव भासते. वन अलोन हैज आश्रयत्व एंड विषयत्व आल्सो, दैट आत्मा अलोन. किंतु तद विरुद्धम, बट इट सीम्स लाइक विरुद्धम. आश्रयत्व विषयत्व इन विच वे? सो व्हेन इट इज सेड माम अहम जानामि, आई नो माई सेल्फ, माम अहम जानामि. सो अहम जानामि is the ashraya and माम जानामि becomes विषय. सो एवमेव माम अहम जानामि और माम अहम न जानामि. तादृश प्रतीति निरूपितम् आश्रयत्वं विषयत्वं च एकस्यैव भासते किन्तु तद् विरुद्धं तद् उपपत्तये. टू accommodate that तैः आत्मनो अंशद्वयात्मकत्वम अंगीकृतम. जैसे आत्मा इज अंशद्वयात्मक. देयर इज वन बोधांश आश्रयत्वेन एंड जड़ांश विषयत्वेन. जड़ांशेन विषयत्वम, बोधांशेन आश्रयत्वम. सो आत्मा हैज आश्रय also and विषय also. So that is how they accommodate. एवमेव माम अहम न जानामि इति अत्र एकस्यैव कर्तृत्वं कर्मत्वं च अंशभेदेन उपपादनीयम्. सो इन दिस वे व्हेन समवन सेज माम अहम न जानामि और जानामि, सो इन वन अलोन देयर इज कर्ता एंड वन अलोन हैज कर्म. अंशभेदेन उपपादनीयम्. एंड दे विल आल्सो कोट श्रुतिस. दैट इज अनदर थिंग. ऑल दीस पीपल, each one of them will find some shruti for somewhere to justify their matam. And next people will also find a shruti to refute the previous matam. This is how it continues. भाट्टाश्च वैशेषिकादिवत् ज्ञानम् आत्मगुणं न इच्छन्ति किंतु आत्मांशमेव. Bhattamata doesn't accept atma as jnanam as guna of atma. They accept atma itself as has jnanam in the amsha. Part of it is jnanam and part of it is ajnanam. Like the glowworm, jugnu. So here we see so many in the night. They are there, tim tim tim. Sankhyadi mate. Now next is Sankhya. Before that, so this is prakasha aprakasha rupa atma. This is Kumarelu Bhattamata. Next matam is Sankhya and Yoga, Patanjala. So Kapila Mata and Patanjala Matam. Bhokta eva केवल बोधात्मक इति सांख्यः पातंजलाश्च. आत्मा इज भोक्ता एंड केवल बोधात्मक, बोध स्वरूप अलोन. दिस इज द आइडिया ऑफ सांख्य मत एंड पातंजल मत. सो दे कोट द श्रुति आत्मा इज निष्कलम, निष्क्रियम, शांतम, and therefore atma has to be partless. This jnana ajnana, this part is not possible, and it is nitya jnana swarupa, but it is bhokta and it is not subject to modification, so it is not karta. So this is a Gita quotation also they will have. Purusha prakristho hi bhunkte prakritijan gunan karanam gunasangosya sadasad yoni janmasu. And before that, so there it is said upadrashtanumanta cha bharta bhokta. So he said, see, Atma is bhokta. Whatever they like, whatever suits their matam, only that part they will quote. And it is drashta. They also accept that it is drashta. So upadrashta is there, bhokta is there. Both are justified in their matam. And prakriti is there to provide bhoga. Bhogapavargaya prakriti pravartate. Purushasya bhoga apavargaya. So to Purusha, to provide bhoga and apavarga, means moksha, prakriti is there. Otherwise, what is the role of prakriti? It has to give, like if the house is there, house is for whom? House is jada. It has to be for some chaitanya. So that chaitanya is going to do bhoga. So Purusha has to be bhokta according to them. And if you don't accept this, then this deha etc., body etc., they will also, even when dead, they will have bhoga. So you have to have some chaitanya being bhokta. Otherwise, jada vastu also will do bhoga. So the Atma bhokta is their very strong thinking. Sankhyaadi mate tu kevala jnanatmaka eva atma natu amshena api jada iti vishesha. They distinguish themselves by saying that Atma is kevala jnanatmaka, not jnana jnanatmaka. And there is no jadamsha in Atma. And then comes the Vedanta Mata, Upanishadaha. Upanishadaha, what do they say? Avidya kartritvadi bhak paramarthato nirdharmakaha paramananda bodhaha eva iti Upanishadaha. It says, due to ignorance alone, there is kartritva, bhoktritva, pramatritva, etc. in Atma. Kartritvadi bhak. Paramarthataha, from absolute standpoint, Atma is nirdharmakaha. Paramananda bodha eva is supreme jnana swarupa eva. Iti Upanishadaha. This is the Upanishad matam, means Vedanta matam. Tika. Upanishadaha. Advaita Vedantinaha Shankaracharyaha. He has made it very clear. This is Advaita Vedantinaha Shankaracharyaha. Te hi Upanishad pramanena Atma Swarupam nirdharayanti. They alone establish the Atma Swarupa based on Upanishad pramana. Anumanam tu na tatra swatantrena pramana bhavam arhati. Anumana independently does not have pramana bhavam. Now I am assuming that you have good idea of this mata. So one is starting from Dehatmavada to Nirdharmaka Atmavada. So many different matas are there, right? And in them, Jivatma, some they say it is Anitya, some they say it is Nitya. And in Anitya also, Vyavaharik Satyam is accepted and another says it is Mithya only. Madhyamik Mata, they say it is Mithya and it is Anitya also. And Nitya is also Parinami Nitya and Kutastha Nitya. So, Vaisheshika and all, we all accept Atma is Nitya also and Kutastha. Means Atma is not changing. Whereas Digambara Mata says it is Parinami Nitya. And Madhyamika Bauddha Mata, they say it is Shunyam and Anitya. And Kshanik Vijnana, they say it is Vyavaharik Satyam, but it is Anitya. So like that, variety is there about Atma. In Panchadashi 6th chapter also this was discussed. If you all remember, it is there. We have gone through Panchadashi 6th chapter. All these matams were there. And this Vaisheshika Mata is called Ardha Vainashika. Why? Because they don't accept Shabda Pramana. They don't accept Vedanta Pramana, basically. So they are called Ardha Vainashika. But they accept Ishvara. They don't accept Veda. And these Mimamsakas are other way around. They accept Vedas, but they don't accept Ishvara. So, but Vaisheshikas are called Ardha Vainashika. Because in Bhashya that word comes sometimes, Ardha Vainashika. And this Nyaya Mata, there is another thing about them. What do they say? That this Tattvamasi, etc., where it is said that Jiva is same as Brahma, so it is not that it is same. You just have to do this kind of bhavana. In the same way, when it is said Brahman is all these, Sarvam Khalvidam Brahma, Brahma eva idam sarvam, Atma eva idam sarvam. So you have to understand that is Jagat Karta. Brahma is Jagat Karta. But they accept that Jagat is from Parmanu, not from Chetan. So in this way, Nyaya Vaisheshika, they are actually considered very inferior compared to Sankhya and Yoga. And that's why in Brahma Sutra, entire first chapter is refutation of Sankhya Mata. And Yoga Mata, there is not much refutation because their philosophy, their Siddhanta is very similar to Sankhya. And their sadhana is where Ashtanga Yoga and all is there. So that is also very much useful for Tvam-pada Vichara. So that is accepted. Now, when it comes to Prabhakara and Bhattamata, so regarding them, there is a beautiful Kumarila Bhatta Vartik is there. Vartik is there or Karika. They say that Ityaha Nastikya Nirakarishnuhu Atmastitam Bhashyakridatra Yuktya Dridhatvametad Vishayastu Bodhaha Prayati Vedanta Nishevanena. They say if somebody wants to know the nature of Atma, Nastikya Nirakarishnuhu, Bhagavan Bhashyakar, Bhashyakrit, Yuktya, using Yukti, he has done Nastik Mata Nirakaranam. And Atma Astitam, Atma is Asti Swarupa that he has established. Dridhatvam etad, this is the Vishaya of Vedanta. And Atma is also Jnanam, this kind of Jnanam he has also given. Vedanta Nishevanena. And Prabhakara also has said, Atma Nishprapancham Brahma eva. Atma is Nishprapancha Brahma only. Tathapi Karma Prasange na tatha vachyam. When it comes to Karma Prasanga, don't bring Atma is Nishprapancha Brahma and all. Let us do Karma. But they know that Atma is Brahma. So they accept this Prabhakara and Bhatta, and they all have, later Acharyas, they have enough respect for Shankaracharya ji. Kumaril Bhatta, you know, when he was doing Prayaschitta and Bhagavan Bhashyakar went to him and said that I want you to write commentary on my Brahma Sutra Bhashya. So then at that time, Kumarila Bhatta said that it is not my good fortune to write commentary on your work. This is what he said. So actually it is a great thing, to write commentary on Bhagavan's work. But Kumarila Bhatta said that I cannot, so you seek because I don't have much time remaining, but you seek my disciple and he will be able to do this. Then he went to Mandana Mishraji and then there was a Vada, etc. So, evam, in this way, सामान्यतो अहम प्रत्यय सिद्धये चिदात्मनि मूलम है। एवं सामान्यतो अहम प्रत्यय सिद्धे चिदात्मनि वादी विप्रतिपत्तिभिः संदिग्धे अहम प्रत्ययस्य आलम्बन विशेष निर्णयाय आह भगवान आचार्य। एवं इन दिस वे सामान्यतो अहम प्रत्यय सिद्धे, the samanya jnanam of aham is there and it is Chaitanya Swarupa. In that these Vadi Vipratipattis are there. Somebody thinks one way, another person thinks another way. So there is a Sandeha, Sandigdha Mata. Now this Sandeha can be there when you study also, when you think also, or when you ask someone what do you think, or you look at different people's life and how they believe. Like in the olden days, some people, the body was there, they kept the body and they kept food also and nice clothes. This is Virochana Matam. It is explained in Chandogya 8th chapter. So what is there in Egypt and all that they follow, it is there in Upanishad given. So they think body will use this later or going up somewhere. And then some people say all bodies will be there here and on the judgment day everybody will get the decision where they will go, etc. So there are different matams based on different people, their thinking. So this is Sandigdha Aham Pratyasya Alambana. What is the Alambana? Its Vishesha Nirnaya is to be done. Samanyata it is Siddha. Vishesha is unknown. For that Nirnaya, Bhagavan Shankaracharya ji is presenting this shloka which we will begin from tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om